Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's session is all about deep relaxation technique DRT. In this process, we give focus and awareness to each part of the body, which results in deep relaxation. Let's get ready. Lie down on your back, legs apart, hands apart, palm facing up towards the sky. Gently close your eyes. Beautiful smile on your face. Relax your whole body on the ground. Take few deep breaths. Slow down your breathing. Observe your natural breathing and slow down your thoughts. Calm down your mind. DRT is a part by part relaxation technique from your toe to head. It covers 4 stages: lower body relaxation, middle body relaxation, upper body relaxation, and whole body relaxation. Slowly and gently bring your awareness to your toes. Relax your tip of your toes. Sensitize your sole. Relax your heel. Relax your ankle joints. Relax your calf muscles. Slightly pull up your kneecap and relax. Relax your thigh muscles. Squeeze your buttocks and relax. Relax your whole pelvic region. Completely relax the lower body part. Now we will energize the lower body part through Akara chanting. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Relax. Just feel the vibration. Your lower body part is beautifully relaxed and energized with the Akara chanting. Slowly and gently bring your awareness to the middle part of the body. Relax your abdominal muscle, thoracic muscle. As you inhale, your abdomen and thoracic muscles getting expanded. As you exhale, they are getting relaxed and going down. Now slowly and gently bring your awareness to the base of your spine. All the muscles are stiff. Relax them nicely. Relax your lower spine. Relax your middle back. Relax your upper back. Relax your complete spine from lower, middle and upper. Collapse all the back muscles and relax them completely. Now slowly move your awareness to your shoulders. Collapse your shoulder blade and relax your shoulder joints. Relax your biceps, triceps and elbow joints. Relax your arm. Relax your forearm, your wrist. Relax your palm and fingers. Now slowly move your awareness to your neck muscles. Relax your neck muscles by moving your head towards your right and left. And give the most comfortable position to your neck and relax. Now we will inhale and repeat Ukara chanting to generate resonance in the middle body part. Inhale. Relax. Feel the vibration generated by Ukara chanting and relax your each muscle in the middle body part. Release all the deep-rooted blockage and stagnation and go deeper and deeper in consciousness. Now gently move your awareness to your head region. Relax your chin. Relax your lower jaw. Relax your upper jaw. Relax your cheek muscles. Release all the stiffness and bring a beautiful smile on your cheeks. Bring your awareness to your nose. Cool air is entering through the nostrils, going down through the trachea to the lungs, and warm air coming up to the lungs, then trachea and nostrils. Just observe how the air is going in and coming out. Now gently move your awareness to your eyes. Relax your eyeballs. Relax your eyelid. Relax your eye muscles, eyebrows. Relax the space between the eyebrows. Relax your forehead muscles. Relax the side of the head, back of the head, and the crown of the head. Relax your complete head and feel the three-dimensional relaxation. Now we will chant Makara chanting to relax your head region completely. Take deep inhale and exhale. Relax and feel the vibration generated by Makara chanting or Brahmari into your head region, and completely relax your head muscles, facial muscles. Now we will scan the whole body from toe to head and head to toe. Relax your whole body part by part. And observe the rushing of the blood from your toes to head and your head to toe. Relax each system in your body. No stiffness, and feel the complete and deep relaxation. And for more relaxation, we will chant A, U, Ma all together. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Relax. The whole body is nicely and completely relaxed. Feel the vibration. Relax your muscles. Relax your head muscles. Just observe the emptiness in your mind. Observe the darkness in front of your eyes. Observe your thoughts and let them go slowly and gradually. Feel and think about all the good things you have done in your life and all the good things has happened to you, and bring a smile on your face. Slowly and gently move your fingers, move your toes, and nicely and gently, whenever you feel comfortable, come up, sit in any comfortable position, rub your palms, generate some heat, place your palms on your eyes, feel the warmth generated by your palms. Slowly remove your hands and open your eyes. Thank you so much for watching and listening and practicing deep relaxation technique. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Stay healthy and stay motivated. Thanks.